welcome back to Festive Forever. So today I am at one of the iconic parts of Mumbai, that is Mahalakshmi Racecourse. The restaurant that we are going to visit today is called Gallops, and this restaurant has the view of Mahalakshmi Racecourse. So let's go inside and check it out. First thing that we have called for is mutton shorba. If you guys know that the mutton shorba is made from flavorful broth of lamb trotters and with masala potli. So just gonna go ahead and take a sip. I can actually feel that there is little cream in it. If you guys can see that the consistency is quite thick, and now we are going to go ahead and try the trotter. So let's go traditional style of eating it. So the trotter has no flavors because obviously every flavor that you can taste is in the broth, and the broth has plain masalas but not to an extent make you feel that the masalas are too much. So I liked it. Normally the broth is quite clear whenever you have mutton paya soup, but here when I'm having it I also feel that it's quite creamy. Loved it. Thing that we have over here is mutton galoti kebab. If you guys can see how pretty it's looking, and I can figure out that there is something beneath this, some kind of roti. So just go ahead and have a bite. Oh my god, look at it. It's so pretty. If you guys can see that the minced mutton, it's creamy. Let's go ahead. It's a little on the spicier side, and actually immediately the mutton is so minced that the moment you put it in your mouth, it immediately melts like ice cream, you know. It's that smooth. If you guys want to see it and have a closer look, I'll just show you. See how beautiful. Though I am quite making it messy, but guys, mutton galoti kebab is something that I feel you should try if you love mutton. With the mutton galoti kebab, we also get this small size of roti, which is sheermal, and it has a sweet flavor to it, and it's generally we eat it with galoti kebab. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a try directly using my hands. it's not actually that sweet, and it has ghee over it, and which makes it quite tasty. Thing that we have over here is mutton nihari. If you guys know that the mutton nihari is slow cooked for more than 8 hours to get the robust flavors. Basically this dish is Mughlai dish, and made from Indian spices. So let's just go ahead and enjoy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this lamb shank. It looks absolutely beautiful, and let's pour some gravy on the top. The gravy is quite thick. Look how thick the gravy is. Oh my god, the Indian spices, it's looking so red and absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna say, if you, oh my god, look at this guys, how easily I could just separate this. It was so easy. So I'm gonna enjoy this with roti. You can pair this with anything, rumali roti or lacha paratha. Actually mutton nihari goes very well with lacha paratha, so but I'm having it with roti. Absolutely stunning. The mutton lamb shank is like, it's absolutely melting in my mouth. It's cooked so properly. It's like melting. Immediately I have it and it's like, god, it's amazing. And the gravy is it has balance of flavors. You cannot just feel that it's too spicy. The gravy absolutely has balance of flavors and delicious. And the mutton, oh my god, I can just drool over this mutton every time I have it. Wow, amazing guys. So here we have our yakhni pulao. If you guys can see that it's made from dry spices. Generally they don't put too much of masala in it, because the flavors that comes within this rice is from aromatic dry spices. So let's just go ahead and serve ourselves. Actually some, if you guys can see that there is boneless mutton pieces, very easily getting separated, and there is some saffron, fried onions. I think that will give us a little sweet taste. As I told you that the dry spices and the aroma of that is so amazing. It is just the way yakhni pulao is supposed to be, and oh my god. Mutton is superb and it's tasting so delicious. I really loved how they have actually kept the flavors at edge, and everything about the dish is superb, and I really loved it. So I'm gonna enjoy my yakhni pulao and see you for my dessert. So here we have our dessert, our sweet ending, and which is malpua with rabdi. Looks absolutely delectable. Just have a look right over here. How beautiful and gorgeous is this, loaded with lots of rabdi and some dry fruits and malpua obviously beneath this. So let's just go ahead and take a small bite. Okay, it's absolutely sweet because the malpoha is very sweet, and rabdi is also sweet. The sweetness is quite actually over the top, more than usually that I prefer. But it's nice if you are that kind of a person who loves to have actually extreme sweetness in their dessert, so you might like this one. So guys, now we have come to the end of this vlog, and now we are going to rate this place on our festive meetup. If I have to talk about this place, the place is absolutely beautiful, and the breathtaking view of racecourse from the restaurant is just mesmerizing. And if you guys ask me, that the greenery that this place has, it's that pleasant atmosphere. The place is absolutely gorgeous, I would say, and the food is amazing. This is a must visit place, and if you guys are staying nearby or else anywhere, do come to this place. Guys, I'm gonna rate this place on my festive meter 9 on 10 for everything. The vibe of this place, for the food and ambience, everything about this place is superb. As well, get the old rustic vibe when you enter the restaurant, which also for a change is quite good. So guys, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.